Oil change on a diamond drive for a F6 Sno Pro, year 2006. I have connected a hose to the diamond drive at the inner side, the tunnel side, and the oil flows slowly out. This oil is for sure ready to be changed.